Hello everyone, this is Lorenzo Olivieri and I am going to show you my project I did for Science Buddies. It was the 3D print, design and 3D print your own robot. Unfortunately, I could not make a robot, but I designed it and I 3D printed it. I designed this on Tinkercad. This one right here. Now you're gonna see how I actually did it since this is already done. So let's get right on this. Tinkercad, okay. Yeah. Okay, let's start building this. Now let's get 2 boxes. Yeah. Here. Now, the 2 boxes are going to be the body of this, as you see right here, and there's another box right here. They will be fused together, and then I will start making holes so I can make the inside. The arc will be there too. So let's put this right here, and then let's 37, okay, yeah, and shift it a bit, give it, okay, let's place a sphere, right here, make it a hole. This is not going to take very long, because now I know how to do this. And there we go. We made a hole. Now we are going to go to the back. Yeah, and put another sphere right here. Pull it just like I did before. Press Shift to group. The end I'm supposed to see. Okay, let's give this a shot. Nope. So what I have to do is get that sphere right here. Sorry class, just a little thing that went wrong. Now, anyway, I was at the part to put the sphere right here. It's already put in, so let's make it into a hole. Then let's shift, grab this, go to here, shift, grab this, group it. Now I am hoping to see something. No, okay. So, what I have to understand is that, yeah, this happened too. Like, I kept on placing spheres, but none of them worked. This is the problem. Now, you see that little break right there? Right there. That's where the, both the blocks are united. So we have to break that. And the sphere is already disappeared inside. So as you see, this is going to be very tricky on getting the sphere inside the actual thing. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to make it longer first by pressing these. Now there's no limit. Well, sort of. There is a limit. But it's not really hard to get to that limit. Like the last time I was just experimenting and I went to the limit. The limit is when you get to the end of the workspace. Now let's see if this works. Might not. But, okay. You see it's already going sort of wrong. Okay, yeah, I got that. And then move to the side. Shift, get this, and this. And this. Group them, and come on, let's do this. Okay. Is it, wait, what? Okay, that just sort of weird happened. Everything turned, what's the problem with this? What? Oh, what happened? Oh, here, okay, yay, yay. Okay, we did it. So, now let's put the thing that I did first. We put the sphere right here. And then we put the round roofs. This is not going to take very long until, yeah. Only because of the problem. Okay, just don't matter about that. And then, let's get, would you move a bit, like right here, cameraman? Okay. Connectors, and then, what should be, yeah, here it is, ball, seated, vert. Get it to a height of 23. Nope, wrong height, okay. Next, get another one. It doesn't really matter which color it is, you know. And then the last one for this side only. Then let's go to the next side. Get this. Basically, I'm going to do the exact same thing. In fact, I'm going to probably talk about something else while I'm doing this. So, if you accidentally put the arc wrong, it's not gonna, the arch wrong, it's not gonna look the same. And the changes are not really identified in the actual design on your computer, but they're identified when you print it out. And I guess that's it. Yeah, so this is how I actually made my design. So, bye class. Let the cameraman tell you, look a final look through this. And let's get to the back. And that is bye. Bye.